It's done here. Those Phillips screws out. Now we're able to remove the power supply once I get it. There you go. So as you can see, we have the PlayStation 4 power supply. Already you can see some copper in there, some aluminum, some little wire here. But again, don't forget, if you get one of these and it's in good condition, even if it's not working, hold on to it, because it's worth more than scrap value, that's for sure. Let's get this little Blu-ray drive cable out. And the antenna, the Wi-Fi Bluetooth antenna, so we got a little piece of steel and a little piece of wire. Nothing too special. Okay, let's get this Blu-ray drive out. There are three little small Phillips screws over there. So remove that little piece of steel. And one little screw there. Let's just try to jimmy this. So there might be a little screw in there.